When it comes to having choppy or low quality video, we were in a time for a long while that we couldn't actually improve that quality. And if you shoot a bad bit of video or you want that B-roll, but the clip's just not high enough detail, then yeah, you would be stuck normally with this situation and you would probably have to go out and reshoot. Well, with AI, we can actually improve video right from our computer in a couple of clicks. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Imobi AI because this is a fantastic platform with something that's called an AnyEnhancer. Actually improves your video in many different ways. So let's just jump straight into the video. So this is the Imobi homepage, and we can see here that they are demoing right off the bat that they can improve videos massively up to 4K in quality, which is really ridiculous when you consider that when you've got old clips, maybe you've got old YouTube videos that you want to improve, you could throw it all into this platform and the video will just double or even quadruple in quality here. These guys specialize in a bunch of different areas here using AI. We can see intelligent enhancement, which basically just takes a look at everything and improves it. Then we've got specific things that we can change for better quality if we want. And I will show you this in a minute with a clip that I want to improve. We can see here, you can improve the resolution as a whole. Maybe you've got a 720p video, you're 4K, you can do that very easily. You've got face restoration. Sometimes you can get choppy faces when you film, so maybe you want to restore that, make it look a little bit cleaner for your video. You can also colorize videos, turning black and white videos into color videos. So if you're using old war footage, stuff like this, this would be a fantastic tool to kind of improve that and really just get a better whole scenario for your clip in your videos. We've also got color enhancement, which will be similar to applying a LUT, but it's just going to pick the best one for you and apply it so your video gets overall enhanced quality for color, which can be great for retention when it comes to YouTube. Then we got denoise. Obviously, if it's a dark room and you're filming, sometimes you get that static noise in the background. Probably see a little bit here on my t-shirt. Yes, you can get rid of that with this platform very easily, and that's just the beauty of AI these days. You can really just do anything when it comes to content and make that content 10x better for very cheap pricing. Whereas normally you would actually be paying ridiculous amounts for editors that are professionals in Premiere Pro, and then those guys would have to actually go in and manually change the pixels and stuff like this with different effects. So having all of this available in just a few clicks and a very small waiting time with AI is absolutely ridiculous, and it's a massive advancement for video editing. If we scroll down here, guys, we can actually see some demos of this coming into fruition. So we've got a pixelated couple here turning into a detailed one. We've got an upscaling, so you wanted a 4K kind of landscape image. You can see this right here coming in very nicely. And if we scroll down here, if we have blurry, choppy faces and we want our subjects or models to essentially look better or look cleaner, we can do so very easily with this platform. And then we've got the black and white system here that just looks ridiculously well polished. And this is probably one of the best versions of this in terms of AI I have seen. You can also do this with more drawing based images. So maybe you're making an animation or you've got anime or something like this. You can actually change that color saturation and make your whole video and your whole project just a lot better, a lot more eye-catching for most people. And here we can see the denoiser, where if you are filming in the dark, you can actually get rid of all of that noise and then have it looking great. And then as well as that, we can actually improve the frame rate of our videos as well. So if you're filming a gaming video and maybe you are stuck on 30 FPS because you've got a poor PC or something like that. So if you're filming a gaming video and maybe you're using a lower FPS for a slower system, then you can actually just throw it into this and then it's going to make it 60 FPS for you. So here I have some B-roll that I want to put into one of my documentaries, and you can just see a bunch of people talking around a coffee table. And you can see here very clearly that there is choppiness across the board here. There's difficulty with the lighting and stuff like this. And we're just going to try and improve that with this AnyEnhancer AI. So downloading this is super simple, guys. Use the link in the description, of course, and then just click on the download button, and then it's just going to start your download. And then from that point, you're pretty much good to go. You just use the installer, let it run, and then you will have this on your system. So now we are in the AnyEnhancer app, and it's very easy to get going with this one. So we want to take that clip that we just had, and we're just going to add that in from some of our files, and you can drag that in or you can choose it. And then once that's uploaded, you can see the clip here unchanged. Obviously, this is before we're actually going to edit it, but then after that, yes, it's going to look a lot cleaner. So what we're going to do here is select the 4K one. We want this better quality, of course. Okay, resolution 4K, face restoration, quality here, obviously. And yeah, after that, we can also do some colorization. You will have to download that to get it, but very, very easy and quickly you can do that. Then we have color enhancement if we want to kind of make this a little bit better on the color side. Also got denoise and a frame rate. We can improve the frame rate here, 4x, why not? And then from that point, let's just see what this comes out with the preview. We're actually just going to select 5 seconds here on the preview and see what goes on. As you can see, it is processing right now. We've got 300 frames to get through, so we're just going to let this thing run. It's not going to take long. You can see it's already nearly a quarter of the way done, and then from that point, yes, we will have our finished video. So we're just going to select intelligent enhancement here. Obviously, we can select all of these that we've talked about, but for now, let's just select the 4K intelligent enhancement and preview this for 3 seconds. Now, this is going to render for a short amount of time, and then from that point, we're essentially going to get a very nice preview of a better video. So now it is finished, and you can see here we've got the video on the right and then the video on the left. And the video on the left, I want you to take a look at this woman's hair. It just looks a lot cleaner. Her face looks a lot more glowy, and we can also see this gentleman on the left definitely looks a lot cleaner and a lot less choppy when you compare it to the one on the left here, right? So yeah, I would say this is a success and definitely something you should check out in the description. So once we're happy with this, we just select exit preview, but we could also do extra things here if we wanted to. But let's just export this one to improve that we could. We're going to go with the original frame rate here and then select the format. You can choose MP4, MOV, WebM, or FLV. We're going to save this to our desktop here, and then from that point we are good to go and just let this thing export. And then once the recording is rendered, it's going to appear in the destination we have selected. So let's just click on this and see how it looks. This looks instantly so much better, to the point where this would rival a lot of Instagram filters and stuff like this. So yes, if you want this in your videos, then it's perfect for B-roll. Just look at the clarity on her face here. So really, really good stuff from AnyEnhancer here. I would definitely suggest checking this out because this has helped me massively when it comes to my videos. So good stuff there. If you did want to get involved with this, then be sure to do so. All you got to do is just press the link in the description, download it, and you can try it for free. So that's going to be it from me. Just a personal review on this thing. Different clips will work differently, of course, but you will see that just generally from upscaling your videos, from denoising your videos, whatever you want to do, these guys do have the features available for it, right? You can press that auto intelligent version to get something similar to what I got, but if you're looking for something specific like better saturation in your images, like better face restoration, that kind of stuff, you can instantly select one of those and then render it, and then you're going to have a much better video for your B-roll, for your gaming videos, and for any of your restoration videos when it comes to making them just higher quality and resolution. So that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Be sure to drop a like on the video, leave a comment, let me know what you think of the state of AI right now, because I think it's getting ridiculously good. And have a fantastic one. I will see you in the next video.